Hi there, it's Tony Vassallo, the founder of MODA Nutrition and the Real Food Revival Movement, and welcome to another episode of Tony Cooks. And today I'll be whipping up a quick salad dressing. I call it a salad dressing on the fly. It's one of those dressings I'll just put together literally on the fly. I'll use a combination of lemon juice, olive oil, and mustard. Those are the three main ingredients. But mustard makes a great emulsifier, just as olive oil, so you can pull back on the olive oil and add the mustard in standard dressings. I find mustard adds a great deal of flavor in addition to the emulsification. Okay, so let's put it in some garlic. And again, I'm doing this on the fly, so I'm using the pre-minced stuff. There we go, right in there. And now, even though the mustard's a little salty, I'm still going to put in some salt. I find one of the biggest issues with dressings is people don't put enough salt. Remember, this is needs to be a concentrated flavor to help flavor the greens. So don't shy on the salt. Obviously, if you have issues with salt, you can push back, or depending on your taste buds. Definitely need some pepper. Now, you could add some dried herbs or fresh herbs if you have them. Again, I'm doing something really simple. This is my basic salad dressing. Let's put these together. Not to mention, the mustard adds some great color. Toss that up. Be gentle now. So I'm just going to toss the greens by itself first, and then we can add the rest of our veggies later, just so we can get the greens dressed up. Let's plate this up. I like to use a really nice bowl. This is a perfect bowl for salads. And let's add, I have some chopped radishes, some red peppers, some cherry tomatoes, we got some walnuts, and I'm gonna add some protein, will be some leftover salmon. So. And there you have it, a salad put together in no time. We have some dressed greens, we added some red peppers, some cherry tomatoes, some walnuts, and we had some leftover salmon. Bon appetit! Be sure to like and subscribe to get more recipes